What is up, guys? Welcome back once again to your favorite crypto corner. If you've ever wanted to get in early on a project that is literally transforming a 15 trillion industry, then you definitely need to see what CoinMix is building. They're connecting trusted importers and exporters, tokenizing food commodities, and using their Exim token to bring real-world assets like agro-commodities on chain with DeFi-powered financial tools. This is exactly how global trade gets disrupted, and it's happening right now. Welcome back. Alright guys, let's break this down because CoinMix is definitely doing something massive. They're using Exim token to transform global trade by bringing a 15 trillion industry onto the blockchain, starting with tokenizing agro-commodities and unlocking DeFi-powered financial tools for real businesses. The platform is backed by 5 years of operations and a trusted network of over 50,000 businesses across 107 countries. For crypto investors, that means a chance to get exposure to real-world assets and actually participate in the global trade economy. And all that while also helping small and medium-sized food importers and exporters access secure and innovative financial solutions that can change how they operate. Honestly, guys, bringing real-world assets on-chain and adding DeFi tools is definitely one of the hottest plays right now, and this project is right in the middle. But guys, what really takes the Exim token to the next level is the commodity token marketplace, where real-world food commodities get tokenized and traded on-chain. They have been active in the global food trade since 2020, and with their CEO bringing over 25 years of experience from 3 generations in agro-commodity trading, there is definitely some serious expertise driving this forward. That kind of background gives the project real credibility and makes sure that the tokenization process is built on a solid and proven business knowledge. And that is exactly what you want to see when stepping into a project that is aiming to reshape global trade. And with that kind of experience in a live marketplace already in play, this feels like one of those rare chances to get in before the rest of the market catches on. And guys, the early entry opportunity is even clearer once you see how the whole system actually works. During harvest season, CoinMix buys agro-commodities directly from farmers at the lowest seasonal prices and stores them in licensed government-approved warehouses where they're sealed for security. Each kilo is turned into a token, which is creating a one-to-one representation of the physical products on-chain. So far, they've already tokenized 5 major commodities under the Exim token ecosystem: APRI for dried apricots, SUNS for sunflower seeds, NUTP for in-shell peanuts, CAJU for cashews, and WATS for watermelon seeds. And on top of that, guys, they have also confirmed that there are more commodities coming in the future. This model gives investors a chance to tap into real assets at source prices while supporting farmers and stabilizing supply chains. What's also very important to explain is that once these tokens are actually created, they're listed directly into the Exim token app, which makes everything simple and accessible. Both crypto investors that are looking for lower risk exposure to real-world assets and CoinMix member firms in the import and export businesses can actually trade them seamlessly. Now, what really stands out here is the buyback guarantee, because CoinMix promises to purchase tokens back if it's needed, which means investors are not left holding unsellable assets. That kind of security definitely builds extra confidence and keeps the marketplace active, which is exactly what drives sustainable growth. With that being said, guys, this is where the real benefits come in for both sides of the ecosystem. Importers and exporters can hedge against price swings and lock in stability for their raw materials, which is a game changer in global trade. For crypto investors, this is definitely a safer play compared to purely speculative tokens, because every asset is stored in licensed and government-approved warehouses warehouses, which is giving full transparency and a solid asset-backed foundation. And on top of that, guys, every single commodity token trade pays a commission in the Exim token that flows straight into the treasury, which is creating constant buy pressure and strengthening the token economy over time. So if you were wondering, that combination of utility and tokenomics is exactly what gives this token the potential to grow sustainably as adoption picks up. And as you can see, guys, by the stats, the market is already noticing all of that. CoinGecko shows Exim trading around 10 cents with a steady chart and a fully diluted valuation near $24 million. The market cap is still tiny at just over 100,000, which makes this a classic early stage setup with huge room to grow. Volume is holding steady and sentiment is already leaning bullish, which is exactly the kind of setup that can break out fast once bigger players start paying attention. As I said, guys, CoinMex is already trusted by over 50,000 companies across 107 countries. It's backed by a massive marketing strategy, industry partnerships, and a community that is growing fast on X and Telegram. Now is the perfect moment to check out their app, explore the live commodity tokens, and join the community to be part of the global trade revolution that is happening right now. Don't miss it. This is your favorite altcoin gem finder signing off.